Rolling.
What's up, guys? I'm Sean from Srkcycles, and here's the jerk that bought my bike. Asher, how's it going?
Good, man.
Well, I hate you because, as you guys know, this was my bike. I really haven't ridden it since, last time I had this was, I probably rode in Georgia, and this actually lived on the back of my motorhome for about a month. It's super dirty. Asher was on mine. So why'd you buy a bike from us and not anyone else?
Because you guys are awesome.
Yeah, we go to the same church together.
Yeah.
I know him. I gave him a good deal.
I would have bought one from you guys regardless. Service is always good. You guys are always really nice. Prices are always good. Yeah, you guys are just a lot of fun to work with. So.
Cool. Hey, good luck with this bike, man. I love it. I'm gonna get another one just like it. But I want a quieter bike. I don't like the M4. It's too loud.
I love the M4.
I'm gonna go with that stock. You know, when you're robbing banks and stuff at night, you want to be like nice and quiet. All right, guys, subscribe. We'll see you guys later.